Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to cash out on Doordash with FastPay. So you have to make sure of a few things. You have to complete at least 25 deliveries, and then you have to be on the platform for at least 2 weeks, and then you set up your FastPay and add your debit card for at least 7 days, and then the processing period will be done, and then only you can use it. So what you need to do is actually visit the earnings sections of your app and then click on the bank icon and then click on your direct deposit and make sure it is linked to your personal bank account, and then click on FastPay. From there, it's going to ask you to put your debit card links. So after you put it in, it's going to take 7 days to process. So once it's done, all you need to do is go to deposit and transfers link on the earning tabs of your Dasher app, and then you'll see something called cash out with FastPay. Click on that one, and then there will be a $1.99 fee, and you can only do it once a day. And you can also see in this images that in earnings, into update, after that what you need to do is go to change card, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.